We'll guide you through how to send large and big files on Outlook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Here we are in Outlook, and so you want to go and send large or big files. We're going to guide you through this step by step on how it can be done. Perhaps you've been working on a video file and they can go and be large in size or some type of other file, and now you need to go and get it over to them for them to go and upload to their channel or to go and review. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this. So you probably found there is a max size you can go and attach as a file to an email. And so you're trying to go and do something bigger than that. So we're going to guide you through this, and we're showing you multiple different ways. So make sure it's this full guide and you can go and decide what way is going to go and work best for you. So to go and get started, let's come into Outlook. You can go and press new in the top left, or also known as compose. You can then go and type in who the email is going to be to. Then you can go and add in a subject. And then, of course, you can go and start writing your email. So I could say, hi there. Then when you're ready to go and start adding in the file, you need to go to the top and find the option for attach file. And you want to go and click there. And you can then go and press browse this computer. Now, what you need to do is go and find it. So mine's on my desktop, so that'll be easy to find. You can then go and select it and go and press open. Now, as you can see, I'm getting this pop up here. You may be getting this as well. Don't worry, I'll guide you through how this works and an alternative as well. So what we can do is we can go and press upload and share it as a OneDrive. I'll go and show you how that'll then go and look at from the recipient's point of view as well. So all you need to do is go and click here like so. Now go and wait, it's going to go and start loading, and it's basically uploading it to OneDrive. And this is some storage you go and get with your Microsoft and Outlook account. Perhaps that's full for you, or there's another reason why I don't want to use it, so don't worry, I'll guide you through an alternative. You can see it's now been put in the email, and we can then go and send the large or big file. Just showing you from the recipient point of view, this is what it will look. They can then go and click on this here, and they'll be brought to the video. They're going to be able to go and watch it here, and also they can go and download it by pressing the download button in the top left. It looks a little blurry, that's just a preview. Now, for whatever reason, if this way isn't going and working for you, we can go and press create a new email message again. And as an alternative, what you want to do is go and open a web browser of your choice and come to google.com. You'll need to go and have a Google account for this, so go to the top right, you can sign in with your account, or press sign in, you can create one on that page there. And then you can press Google Apps in the top right and press Drive. On Drive, you want to come to the top left and you want to go and press New, and you want to press File Upload. Now you need to go and find the video you want to do it with and select it and go and press Open, and it's now going to upload. Wait for this to go and complete. When it has, go and click on it like so. Go to the top right and you can go and press Share. Now you can go and change general access from restricted to anyone with the link, and you can press Copy Link. And then what you can do is you can go and put this in your email. So of course, write it, add it in, and people can then click on it and get to that video, and they can go and download it there.